See, it sends the car really fast, and it spins because there's so much power. So we also have the classic engine brain, and then above all, a fourth engine, this L engine, and then it's a mechanical engine, so linear actuators. What can we do with these linear actuators? Well, quite simply, the function that is basically manual, so the lever function to raise the rear, can now be controlled remotely. So it's really cool. We can use the remote control to have fun raising the rear axle and then making it drift. And look what it looks like. Honestly, it sends really fast. And this drift principle visually, it works very, very well. So that, in my opinion, is next on the list. It's okay, it didn't fall. It's good, it's fine. So that's next on the list, occupational hazards, and so I'll make a video for you, both presenting this Skyline and the Zenbrix engine. Don't hesitate, they make some really good products. I also made the Ford GT recently. We can now finish with the craziest project